If you love customizing your Android smartphone home screen, then I'm going to walk you through how you can have this simple minimal setup on your phone. And quickly running through the overall look, this setup exudes a clean, minimalistic vibe with a touch of personalization. The wallpaper in the background has a blurred, abstract gradients of red, black and orange tones, creating a dynamic yet subtle backdrop that draws focus to the widget and the icons. The blurred effect adds depth to the screen while preventing distraction from the primary elements. At the top left, there is a personal welcome widget with a profile photo accompanied by the greeting, and I will walk you through how you can add your image and name to the widget. This personalized touch adds a sense of ownership to the setup. The widget is designed in a material-inspired style with rounded corners, which adds up to the minimal look of the setup. You get battery information, dates, and weather information on the widget. The typography is simple and clean, aligning with the minimalistic aesthetic as well. The icon pack at the bottom is vibrant yet subtly outlined, giving a playful yet polished appearance. Each icon appears to have a soft drop shadow, creating a floating effect, depicted in a consistent, flat yet colorful design. The rounded and cartoonish style brings a hint of liveliness to the otherwise muted and neatly toned setup. The combination of blurred, warm-toned wallpaper, minimalist widgets, and playful, outlined icons creates a balanced, personalized, and inviting home screen setup. The launcher used is the good old Nova launcher, and if you don't have the latest version, make sure you have it. The widget is from a KWGT widget pack called Color Blobs KWGT, which is widget number 96. And most of the widgets in this pack can be used on this setup and will fit perfectly, so you can go ahead and try others to match your style. And with the mention of KWGT, make sure you have KWGT Pro before you can use this widget pack. The icon pack is called Borderline Icon Pack, and shout out to the developer for reaching out with this icon pack and providing 50 promo codes to share with my audience. So just make sure you follow my Telegram channel. I'll be posting half of the codes there, and also follow me on Instagram and send a DM for the promo code. So whichever platform works for you. The wallpaper is from Lumina Walls, which is one of my go-to wallpaper applications. And actually there are two different wallpapers in a similar style, and both can work perfectly, either the red theme or the blue theme. And in a recent update to this wallpaper application, you can make adjustments to wallpapers before you apply them. And that is how this blur effect came about. And of course, the widget is wallpaper adaptive, so it will adapt to both wallpaper styles and the setup will still look great. I've provided links to all the applications mentioned, so make sure you have them installed, including the backup file for the setup, which is very important and a shortcut to having this setup on your phone. So once you've set Nova Launcher as your default launcher and downloaded the backup file, open the Nova Launcher settings, then go to Backup and Restore settings. Select Restore Backup. Find the backup file you downloaded from your storage. Hit OK, and now you have the entire setup settings pre-made for you, including the app drawer appearance, look and feel, folder settings, and more. The only thing left is to load the widget onto the home screen. So tap on the widget box, which will take you to KWGT. Find Color Blobs KWGT from the installed packs and find widget number 96. Or simply tap the search icon and enter 96. The widget will show up, so tap on it. Now switch to the Layer tab and scale it up to 90. And then switch to the Globals tab. Tap on the name, edit this with your name and tap the check mark. And right beneath it, choose Pick Image. Find your image and then tap on it. So once you are done, hit the Save button and that's it. You can go ahead and try the second wallpaper. The widget will automatically adapt to it. And if it doesn't, simply tap on it once and it will. Let me know your thoughts on this setup and how you could have made it better while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. Kindly consider subscribing to the channel if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and as always, thank you for watching.